All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So the entire fender, hood, and front bumper have PPF paint protection film on them. That includes the fuel door and the side mirrors. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks really nice. You can see the film is wrinkling right here on the edge. Fender looks good. Typical little rock impacts on the side mirror, but like I said, it has PPF on it, so it should just be in the film. That A-pillar looks nice. Roof looks good. You're gonna have some little scuffs there from getting in and out, and typical rock impacts and chips here on that trim. That wheel looks amazing. All of that's clean. You got the window tint on here. Also looks like the front windshield is tinted. You have film on the headlights as well. You're going to see a little bit of rash on this splitter. You can see some damage there. Typical rock impacts on that front end. But like I said, it has that PPF, so I don't know if any of it's underneath the film. I don't really see anything that stands out that would make it seem like it is under the film. That looks good. That fender's clean. Got the Pilot Sport 4S's. That wheel looks amazing. Door looks good. This has film on it, but I do see some very light abrasions. You can see that. So if you replace the film, that should go away. A-pillar looks good. That looks nice. Quarter panel's clean. That wheel looks good. And just check out the barrel. You can see how clean that is. Gorgeous color. Deck lid looks good. Bumper looks nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it is super, super clean. That panel's perfect. All of that looks good. There's really not much to complain about on that door panel. That trim looks nice. Looking at that bolster, really clean. Very little wear right there on the piping. That's about it. The rest of that seat looks good. Has a nice matte finish to it. Here in the steering wheel, still has a matte finish to it. I don't see any scuffs or scratches that stand out. All of that looks good. That's clean. The leather's nice up there. Zero separation. 19,421 miles. This thing was... That upper section is perfect. That looks nice. That panel is really, really clean. This trim looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Very little wear right there. That bolster looks good. Same here. Has a nice matte finish to it. Really nothing to complain about on this side. Absolutely gorgeous. All this carpet looks amazing. All of that looks good. And here in the front, all of that looks good. Plastic is nice and clean. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The car has 19,422 miles here at the time of driving. The steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. I am in manual mode here. Throw it back in drive. Interior looks amazing. feel any vibrations from the steering wheel, doesn't shake or shimmy. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here in just a second. Brakes are solid, no vibrations. Shifts nice and smooth, alignment's perfect. I mean, there's nothing to complain about with this car. It drives absolutely perfect.